Hi guys, welcome to a lesson of ordinary differential equations. So in the previous class, we discussed about the Bernoulli's equation, and now we are going to talk about Riccati equation, that is a specific type of nonlinear first order differential equation. So let's have the general form first, that is dy over dt equals a function of t plus a of t, again a function of t with the product of y, and then again a function of t, say b of t with the product of y squared. So we can see here that the difference between the Bernoulli's equation and Riccati's equation is pretty simple. That is, in the Bernoulli's equation, we have dy over dt, a function of t with y, and equals to q of t with y to the power n. So the thing here, we can see the difference is y power n here with a function of t, and here it's y squared. So the maximum power, or not the maximum power, but the function should be of y squared, and y particularly in the uh, case of Riccati's equation, right? So it could not be any n here. It should be y squared only. And then we have one thing that is not present in the case of Bernoulli is this function of t, that is r of t, right? So let's see how to solve these types of equations. And in the case of Bernoulli's equation, we converted Bernoulli's equation to first order linear equation and then solve the equation. And for this type, we will convert this into Bernoulli's equation, and we'll see that how we can convert. So there is no general method for solving this equation. However, if we happen to know one particular solution, then it is possible to find the general solution. All right. So we can assume that y1 of t, let's say, is one particular solution of the equation that is known, right? Is one particular solution that is known. All right, so if y1 of t is known, then we can just we can just use this substitution, that is w equals y minus y1, where y is another solution, y1 is the one known solution, and y is the unknown solution. So from here we can write dw over dt equals dy over dt minus dy1 over dt, right? So from here we know that dy over dt is equals to, so we can substitute dw over dt equals, for dy over dt we can write r of t plus a of t times y plus b of t times y squared. All right, and for dy1 over dt, we can simply write in this form, that r of t plus a of t y1 plus b of t y1 squared, right? So we can use this way to solve these equations. Now we can see here that r of t and r of t from here and here cancels with each other, and we are left with a of t times y minus y1, and then plus b of t times y squared minus y1 squared. And then we have a of t times y minus y1 plus b of t y minus y1 times y plus y1, right? And then we have for y minus y1, we can use omega or w, say w here, because we know that w equals y minus y1, and plus for b of t again, b of t times y, for y minus y1 we have w, and then times y plus y1, right? So And then we can further simplify this equation in this way. We can write p of t w, and for y plus y1 we can just write y minus y1 plus 2y1. So now we will have a of t times w plus b of t times w times w plus 2y1. Right, so now we can see here that we have a of t times w plus b of t times w times w plus 2y1, right? Now we know that this y1 is actually the solution that is known, right? So let's open the brackets. It will be omega squared, and it will be 2b of t times omega times y1, right? Now we can group these terms here, this one and this one, the terms of omega. So we'll get a of t plus 2 times b of t y1. So this whole function is basically a function of t because y1 is known. And then we have plus b of t times omega squared, right? And here we have the w over dt. So now we can see that this equation is simply a kind of Bernoulli's equation, and then we can proceed to solve this equation, right? So it's easy to solve Bernoulli's by converting it into the linear differential equation. So now let's take an example for this Riccati's equation, and let's see how to solve these kind of equations.